making a Clear Broth Beef Brisket today. So I bought some of this beef brisket with tendon. This is what it looks like. We got some ginger. We got the daikon, star anise, and a little bit of orange peel. So this is the beef. Give it a quick wash. Then we're going to put it into a pot of boiling water to do a blanch. Okay, so the point of blanching is to get rid of all these impurities. This is the clear broth, right? So we want the broth to be as clear as possible. So you don't need to bring it to a complete boil. Once you see the impurities come out, pretty much it's done. We're gonna, oh, it's hot. Oh, it's very hot. Take this over to the sink. You can just pour it out. A quick wash again. This is the clear broth, so we want it to be as clear as possible. Get rid of all the guck and the impurities in there. Okay. So here's the ginger. So pot of boiling water. Ginger, Chinese goes in, and then the beef. So again, we blanch the beef, give it a quick wash to get rid of some of the impurities and the fat and all that stuff that comes out on the sides. Putting this beef back in. Okay. I think we need a little bit more water. The water should be just covering it up. So I'm going to put a little bit more water in there. And then once we do that, we just basically put in the pot, the lid. For this pot, for this amount, I would say about 40 to 45 minutes. But